Okay, it's graduation time for our ongoing ukulele workshop and jam. This is the fourth class of this session, and we've been working very hard on learning a song by ear, just one stanza of Let's Twist Again in all five ukulele friendly keys. So we could get a sense of the all important 1, 4, 5 chords in each key, along with the relative minor. And in this video, we're putting it all together and we're going to modulate from key to key. And we use the chord, the 5 chord of the key that we're going to make that modulation, that transition. So just as a for example, we start in the key of C. When we want to modulate to the key of D, we're going to use the A7 chord, which is the 5 chord of the D scale. There's not going to be a test, so relax. Here's our tempo. A 1, 2, 3, let's twist again like we did last summer. Let's twist again like we did last year. Don't forget to embellish. Do you remember when things were really humming? Let's twist again. Twisting time is here. A7. Let's twist again like we did last summer. B minor. Let's twist again like we did last year. Do you remember when we were really humming? Let's twist again. Twisting time is here. C7. Let's twist again like we did last summer. Let's twist again like we did last year. Do you remember when we were really humming? Let's twist again. Twisting time is here. D7. Let's twist again like we did last summer. Let's twist again like we did last year. Do you remember when things were really humming? Let's twist again. Twisting time is here. E7. Let's twist again like we did last summer. Let's twist again like we did last year. Do you remember when we were really humming? Let's twist again. Twisting time is here. Let's twist again. Twisting time is here.